So what is the next play? What's going on, guys? It's Justin from Push and Profit, and in this video we're not going to be talking about meme stocks. For the last couple of weeks we've been talking about a lot of meme stocks, as I like to classify them, but in today's video we're actually going to be talking about crypto stocks, specifically Riot. Right, so we see that Riot has been on a downtrend for the last couple of months. It's been doing kind of bad. So I mean, if you even grab a trend line, you could probably just draw like a little trend going over here. So again, if we break above this trend, we're probably gonna look at some optimistic bullish price action taking place. Right, so why am I looking at Riot? Well, let's go ahead and actually take a look into Bitcoin and talk about a few things. Right, so we see that Bitcoin had this major sell-off. Bitcoin has just been selling off for a while, and right now we see that Bitcoin is just kind of pushing up from its biggest low in the last couple of months. Right, then let's also take a look at Dogecoin. Right, if we just kind of look at Dogecoin, we're going to see something similar, and I know I have a whole bunch of stuff on this chart. Let me go ahead and just delete all this stuff. This stuff was like from the Saturday Night Live stuff on Bitcoin, when I made that video of why Bitcoin's going to drop before Saturday Night Live. So let me go ahead and erase all that, because this is old stuff and some of this stuff is just random lines on the screen. But anyways, we see that Dogecoin had this major sell-off and now we're coming back up. Right, so we have this pushback in overall cryptocurrency, or this not pushback, but rather this momentum going up in overall cryptocurrency. So that's a good news for Riot stock, because Riot is a crypto mining company. Now, why am I bullish on Riot? Now, you guys know that I primarily trade on the technicals, right? We're bouncing off a support, which was the area of the simple moving average. Then, of course, if we get a little horizontal line, we could also identify that this was a it used to be a resistance and it's now support, bouncing off of that. And then we had confirmation going above the exponential moving average, and once we pass this descending trend, that's even more confirmation. So if we're just looking at it from a technical aspect, then that is pretty much good for me to enter a trade. But let's go ahead and talk about just some fundamentals. Right, so we see that China was one of the biggest crypto miners for cryptocurrency, and now China is they're getting crypto mining out of the country. They're almost like just shooing it away, right? Which of course is bad, because if you think about how cryptocurrency works, the reason this could be a potential reason why a lot of individuals are selling Bitcoin, amongst this, news of China kind of getting rid of their miners. Well, Bitcoin, the more people that are, making these or mining and just doing activity with Bitcoin, the more secure the network is, right? So if we have this influx of individuals just, stop, from mining crypto, that's going to make the network less secure. Right, but it's going to be good news for a lot of these crypto mining companies, because it's less competition. Now we're going to have less Chinese individuals and companies and entities mining crypto, which obviously makes it more lucrative for individuals or companies like Riot, who also mine crypto. Because if you guys don't know how Bitcoin is mined, basically they use these big machines, right? And I'm dumbing it down, and I know there's someone that's going to be in the comment section saying, hey Justin, this is how it really is. I'm just simplifying it, right? So we have these crypto mining machines, these supercomputers, where they do these algorithms and compute a lot of math, and every 10 minutes a random Bitcoin is awarded for cracking the code, right? And so if you have a lot of individuals in China that are no longer taking place in this activity, that just means that now there's less Bitcoin that's going to be awarded to people that were mining in China, and more to companies like Riot. So there's more opportunity for them to grab some more Bitcoin, right? So that's just an optimistic outlook, and I think that's one of the reasons that we see this technical play going out. You guys know I trade based off the technicals, but sometimes we have to take a look at the fundamental news. What's going on? What catalyst can bring this up? So I'm gonna go ahead and probably set an alert. This way, once this breaks above this area, then I just know, hey, this is time for me to buy in. So, I just set in my alert. Now, if you guys are wondering what platform I'm using to kind of, make all these drawings and talk a lot, I'm using the Weibo platform, right? So I know that's one of the main questions. Now, if we go over here, you guys are going to see if I click unlock, there's no positions that I'm in. Right now, I'm all cash. I'm waiting for the next great play. right? We've been making a lot of great plays with a lot of these meme stocks that I've been covering on my channel, but today, I'm not in a position and I'm waiting for that next play, because at the end of the day, I don't have to trade every single day. I just got to seek for opportunity, and once opportunity presents itself, take action, right? So right here, we're looking at the news tab that Webull offers for Riot. I'm just going to click this area right here. We're just going to read it together. So we see that shares of crypto-related stocks, which is this is Mara, but also which is another one, right? But we're right now we're just looking at Riot, are trading higher by 5.4% amid an increase in the price of Bitcoin. So we see that as Bitcoin increases, these mining companies are going to increase as well, because the hope for these mining companies is that when they mine the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, that they're obviously getting a bigger reward. So they're banking on crypto, going up. Now, crypto has been selling off, but now that we have this, major not major uptrend, but this little uptrend coming from crypto, that's good news for these crypto mining stocks. So we see that, Bitcoin hit 34,000 Thursday morning. And so it says Myra Digital, or the Myra ticker, focuses on mining digital assets just like Riot. It owns cryptocurrency mining machines and a data center to mine digital assets, right? Basically everything I said, and the company operates in the digital currency blockchain segment, and this is just pretty much explaining what I just said, so we don't need to read the rest of that. But we see that based on the top region of this news article, that because Bitcoin is going up, it's causing these crypto mining stocks to go up. So again, if we just take a look, as long as Bitcoin is going to be uptrending, then that's just good news for these crypto mining stocks. So if Bitcoin can, continue going up, now this is a small little candle over here. If we, have a nice big uptrend, then, that's a great return on people who are trading these crypto mining stocks. But again, crypto like Bitcoin doesn't have to go up. Maybe it could go up a little bit and then start coming down even more. So we want to set our parameters for risk, right? We want to mitigate our risk. So I'm going to say, hey, look, if Bitcoin falls below this area, then this time that's just bad news, because we obviously see that this area was a support, and it's held itself as a support, and right now it's presenting that sign right here of confirmation beginning. So if Bitcoin could continue going up and break above the simple moving average, then we're gonna see a lot of uptrend from these crypto mining stocks. Again, you guys don't have to take the trades that I'm taking, but I'm in an all cash position waiting for the next great opportunity. I'm not sure if you guys are all cash or you guys holding the bag on some stocks. I'm not sure what situations you're in, but at the end of the day, I just want to repeat the message that you want to mitigate your risk, and you want to wait for opportunity to present itself, right? Well, that's pretty much it, guys. With that being said, hopefully you guys liked the video. Make sure to leave a comment down in the comment section below. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get some comments from the crypto wave of individuals who are going to say something. But with that being said, that's expected. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to sign up for Webull, you're able to get 2 free shares by simply just signing up with Webull and depositing $100. So yeah, it's a really great offer that they offer. And with that being said, guys, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.